Alright, so if you're like me, you've been driving around with a cup holder lid that's been open for years. The thing is, I found that the magnets from the head of a Sonicare toothbrush fit amazingly well, and I'm going to show you how this works. But even if you don't use Sonicare, you can buy these replacement heads, and I use 2 magnets, so get 2 of these. The little black rectangle there is a magnet, and they come off and they're amazingly strong. Here's what it looks like. And the beauty part is not only do they fit right there, but they have this groove right down the middle, and I'll show you how that works. So you take the magnet and you need something to go through. So I found a nail that goes right across here. It's just the right length. So you take the magnet and you put it in between, and there's this groove the nail goes right down the middle of. You just gotta get it to go across through the other side like that. Now the magnet's held in pretty well. I just took a second one and it just pops on very tight, and I mean, it's gonna hold this thing, it's not going anywhere. So you take the 2 magnets and the nail, and then the only other thing you have to do is I put another magnet in this latch-catch area. You could probably use some other piece of metal, anything magnetic, something that the Sonicare things will stick to. And that's it. It's a really good fit, and there's just enough resistance to release it. I mean, snap, open. So no damage done to the lid. It just cost me a couple of these, which I happen to use anyway. So there you go. Good luck with your projects.